Yeah, let me see that ass. Oh, you want some naked shit? I'm on my way. I'm on my way, bye.
I'm ashamed of all the things that I was doing for you. Should've known that all these girls the same and they ain't loyal. She a freak, took it to Noble on the beach, just to eat, Louboutins all on her feet. Where you get the money for them shoes, girl? You hit me on my DM like a fan, girl. Did you want me or did you want these bands, girl? Now I know you just another Instagram girl. She almost made me think that all she want is me. I hit the club and she the first one that I see. Said that she there cause she know promoters in the club. Kinda find out that my homeboy hit her up. All this ice, I need a freezer, whip it up, back beater, whipping a two-seater. Said she love me, don't believe her, can't be mediocre, 20 on a choker, fuck her, I don't know her, yeah, give me face like poker. Whoa, can't believe I wanted you. Whoa, I can't believe I wanted you, yeah. Girl, I can't believe I wanted you. Girl, I can't believe I wanted you.
No, 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 I don't need you. I don't need you. No, 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 I don't need you. I don't need you. Man, I swear these girls are see-through. Stevie Wonder, I can't see you. She so hurt, I'm so hurt. She get on my nerve. My head hurt. Matter of fact, kick her to the curb. Find out that she with him, like this verse get murked. My chopper ego dispersed. Yeah, you probably died before it hurt. Hey, Guardian lens, I'm on alert. 20,000 for a fur. What would she do for a purse? She said you give me a perk. My new bitch better, so I cannot sweat her. Talk to that girl, that's a curve. Speaking of sweater, my neck is so frozen, he looking just like an iceberg.
All this ice, I need a freezer, whip it up, back beater, whipping a two-seater. Said she love me, don't believe her, can't be mediocre, 20 on a choker, fuck her, I don't know her, yeah, give me face like poker. Whoa, can't believe I wanted you. Whoa, I can't believe I wanted you, yeah. Girl, I can't believe I wanted you. Girl, I can't believe I wanted you.
Uzi, they used to make fun of you. Yeah, all my hundreds blue.
Whoa, little bitch, I'm done with you. Hit it from the back while Uzi stand in front of you.
23, but I had her when I was 22.
What? I can't wife that girl, she fucked like 20.
Guy, lately been working really well. Takedown, guard passing. Obviously, guard retention, impassable guard. But just like I said when we put this purple belt on him, teaching, helping, always has time to help anybody and everybody. And he's been beating me up for a long time in here now too. So I'm like, you know what? Just to make myself look better, can't be getting beat up by purple belts. So right now, we take this purple belt off and we put on the brown belt on his last. All of the football I do on later. All right, give this guy a round.